Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video it is time for a gel polish of the week color. This is kind of similar to my nail polish of the week videos, but then of course I'm going to use gel polishes. But first up, you want to make sure that you have prepped your nails correctly, removed the previous gel polish as usual, and just go in with a little bit of rubbing alcohol to make sure there isn't any dust or oils left on the natural nail plate. But of course, if you are new, hi, welcome. I would really appreciate it if you would like to subscribe to my channel and just leave a comment, say hi or whatever. Thank you so much in advance for that. But let's get back to the video because I'm already showing you the base coat that I'm going to use. This is just the Soak Off base coat by Madam Glam. All of the gel polishes that I'm using in this particular video are by Madam Glam, and I actually do have a discount code of 30% on the Madam Glam website, so if you want to use that, I always leave it in the description box as well as in the pinned comment, so check it out if you want to get some yourself and you don't want to break your bank, if you know what I mean. But yeah, first up, I'm just going to apply that to the thumb, cure that for 30 seconds, and then go in with the base coat to the other 4 fingers. I usually do my thumb and my other fingers separately because I work with quite a small LED lamp, so all 5 nails do fit in there, but I just feel a little more comfortable just working on my thumb first, curing that, and then just adding gel to the other 4 nails. So that's what I'm doing in this video as well. You might be really familiar with that already if you've been on my channel and hanging out with me for a longer period of time, especially if you watch my videos where I use gel polishes, do designs, and so on. You always see me work on my thumb first and then just continue with the other nails. But yeah, this base coat is actually really nice. I have to mention that I'm a big fan of Madam Glam as it is. They have amazing gel polishes. They work really nicely. They are really self-leveling. And as you can see here, my natural nails were quite short. Only my pinky nail had like a decent length. Like, it was still really short for me. And you guys know that if you've seen previous work that I did. I just love to have natural long nails. But because I had some little tears and everything like that in both of my hands actually, I just decided to shorten it all down and just start over fresh again. So yeah, that was what I was doing right here, just growing my nails out again. And of course I still had my long nails on my right hand, which I shortened like a week after or something like that. But the color that I'm using today is called Slay Every Day, and once again this one is by Madam Glam as well. This is the most gorgeous like lemonade kind of yellow color with beautiful holographic glitter in here. It's not like super like rough or chunky glitter. It's just a lovely like I'd say regular to finely milled glitter. It isn't like super finely milled, but it doesn't take a lot of time to actually soak this off afterwards, so that is a big plus in my opinion. And yeah, I'm pretty much in love with this color. It would even look really cute if you're going to use like some transparent tips or anything like that, just to make it kind of like a jelly see-through kind of manicure. Personally, I'm not a big fan of that on my own natural nails because I don't know why, but I just don't like my natural like smile line peeking through. I have that with regular nail polishes as well, and you guys know that already if you've been watching my nail polish of the week videos a lot. I just love my manicures to be completely opaque and even and not see-through at all. But if you are into that, this is a perfect color to use for that. And of course the glitter is just gorgeous. So I did got sent out the collection that this polish or gel polish was in, and it was from the month of June, I guess, like the Made in Color collection it's called. There were 6 colors in total, like rainbow colors of course because of June being Pride month and all. And I did do a full-on swatch and review video of all 6 colors, so if you want to know more about that, you can definitely check that out once you're done watching this video. But yeah, this color, I really love it. And of course, just like the nail polish of the week videos, this is just in real time application. I didn't speed it up or anything like that. You can just see me work on my nails, just having some me time, some time to relax, because doing nails for me personally is really like me time, just time for myself that I can relax, do my nails, just listen to some music and just chill the F out, if you know what I mean. Especially like this year, it has been quite hectic. I started my job, like my new job, at the end of January, and it's just been hectic like from that moment on, because I actually do work a full-time job, so I work at least 5 days a week at my regular job. I do have like Saturday shifts as well, and yeah, it's like a lot sometimes, especially this summer, because I have planned my weeks off like really late, like at the end of summer, beginning of fall. So I'm actually working throughout the entire summer, and because all of the other co-workers do have their holidays planned during summer, I have to work a lot of weeks, like containing 6 days of work. So yeah, it kind of beats you up from time to time, if you know what I mean. Like, especially if you know that doing my YouTube work, like all of my videos, I share at least 3 videos a week. It's quite a lot of time and effort, and yeah, sometimes I get a little bit drained. So I try to work ahead a lot and plan everything out a lot, and just spend every spare moment that I have on my videos, especially in the weeks where I work 6 days. Yeah, it's a lot, let's just be honest, and I am sure that a lot of you can relate to that, especially with the coronavirus that happened earlier this year and is still going on. It's going crazy here again. I feel like there is a second like wave going on here in the Netherlands, especially with all of the tourism going on. Like we have a lot of German visitors, especially where I live, because I live really close to the beach and stuff like that. So yeah, it's kind of like obvious that stuff like that happens, and I kind of expected it as well. But yeah, it's kind of like a bummer, because once again you have to be extra careful, like even more careful again, even though restrictions were like a little bit less intense, I have to say. We never had a full lockdown here in the Netherlands. I actually worked throughout the entire time as well. Like, people, if you were able to work from home, they suggested to do so, but of course with my job I can't. But yeah, I'm just rambling a lot in this video, but I feel like I have a lot, like there's a lot weighing down on my heart, if you know what I mean with that. Like, there's a lot I want to talk about and share that I feel like I can't really share in other videos, because, you know, when I do a review or something like that, it's all about the polish, and here I'm just applying 3 coats of a beautiful gel polish. Once again, I wanted it like to be super opaque, so I just applied 3 thin layers, and I would always suggest to just use thin coats and apply an extra one if you want it to be a little bit more opaque. But yeah, I'm just going to quit the rambling, you know, because sometimes you have a lot, like a heavy heart or something like that, and you just want to share. And I know that you guys are going through a lot of similar things like I am. So yeah, just wanted to put it out there that we're all human. And of course, let me know in the comments down below how you are dealing with all of this. Have you been fully quarantined or anything like that? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, after you have cured every single layer of gel polish for 30 seconds, you can go in with your top coat. I am just using the No Wipe top coat by Madam Glam, which is my favorite top coat to use. It is such a nice one, and all of the gels by Madam Glam are really easy to soak off afterwards as well when you are ready to switch up your manicure. I almost started stuttering right here. But yeah, I'm just going to apply that to the thumb first again, cure that for 30 seconds, and then just go back with the top coat for the other 4 fingers. Like, I really like sharing these gel polish of the week videos as well. I do know that it's been a really long time and that I usually just, whenever I switch out my gel polish manicure, I tend to do like a full-on design. So that is why there are more gel polish design videos out here on my channel compared to gel polish of the week videos. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, just about one specific gel polish color, do let me know in the comments down below, because I really like doing manicures like this as well. And I do remember, like, I've pre-recorded this video like 6 weeks ago, maybe even 8 weeks ago. It's been a while, I have to say. It's been a hot minute that I wore this manicure. But I did wear it for at least 2 weeks straight. I think it even was a little bit longer because, again, I had to work in the weekends as well. And sometimes you're just too tired to do anything after you're done working. And I think a lot of you can relate to that, even if you're going like to college or school or university or anything like that. Sometimes it just is too much and you don't want to do anything and just lay on the couch and drink some soda and eat some potato chips or something like that. But yeah, this was pretty much the entire gel polish of the week video already. I am really curious to hear about what you think about this gel polish. If you are a gel polish wearer, like to start off with that first, because I do know that a lot of my subscribers like regular nail polishes more and don't really go for gel polishes because maybe they don't know how to use them, or maybe they're scared to use them because there are a lot of like horror stories out there that gel polishes will damage your natural nails and all that jazz, which is totally not true. Of course, it is true if you don't remove it properly and you don't apply it properly, but if you do everything like following the book and stuff like that, and you do everything that you like to do and you feel confident and good at, there's like no use to not, or like no reason to not try it. But yeah, to cap off this entire video, or at least just to wind it up, end it up, how do you say that? I don't know. I'm just going to apply a little bit of cuticle oil because that is something that I always do at the end of doing a new manicure, whether it is just one color like this one I'm sharing in this video, or if it is a complete design. I always love to add a little bit of oil, because if you soak off your manicure with acetone like I do, your hands and your nails and your cuticles get really dry, and you just want to help it out a little bit by adding some oil. But yeah, that was actually already the entire video. It's a little bit of a longer one because gel polishes just take a little bit more time, and of course I do work with my non-dominant hand because I always wear my gel polishes on my right hand. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, let me know. And of course, do make sure to check out the discount code if you want to buy some Madam Glam items yourself. And yeah, I'm just really curious to hear about you guys. How have you been doing? And yeah, let's just start a conversation in the comments down below. But yeah, I'd love to see you in one of my next videos.